Hello again. Okay, today I'm gonna install a remote start on my QX35 2013. So this car has a BCM behind the cluster, so I need to remove the cluster in order to get it. So for that I will need to get this cover off, one on this side. It's gonna be 2 screws, and then this is gonna pop up, and then we're gonna remove this. So I'm gonna show you in a bit how this is gonna look like when you remove it. Alright, so when you pop this, it's a lot of sound, sorry about that guys. You're gonna pop this up like this, and then you find your way. You're gonna start prying here, go all the way around until you get like this. So here you're gonna have one connector here, and that's pretty much just this one here. Okay, so once you get this out of the way, this is the plug connector here. You are gonna find 3 Phillips screws, one there, and one back there. Remove those 3. Alright, next step is put some towel here, because this is gonna lean forward and you don't want to scratch the plastic. So how this goes, you see a little tab here. So what you need to do is to lift up from the bottom and then go down, and then put these both corners on the back. There we go. So you have 2 connectors here. You need to unplug these 2 in order to get the BCM, which is all right there on the back. Alright, as you can see, the BCM is down here, so we need to remove it. So we have one Phillips screw there, one there for the brackets, and this is gonna come up. Okay, from here we just need to unplug and plug this. For example, this is gonna be the first one here, so you need to follow instructions. So whatever remote start you're gonna have, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug this one here, it's very hard to do it just with one hand here. Alright, let me pause it and show you. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look like. You know, you just remove the plug, connect to the one end, let's just back it in. All the harness is connected. The only 2 wires you need to top is for number 1 and number 5, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, let me double check. Yes, number 5 is gonna be this, and number 1 is gonna be here, and this is gonna be on the top, which is gonna be white and black here. All right, so we need to cut the little one here, and then I'm gonna tap those wires here, 1 and 5, 5 and 1, I'm sorry, 5 and 1. The white is 5, it's gonna be positive, and 5 is black here, is gonna be negative. Those goes over here, And then from there we're gonna go to the next step, which is gonna be the decoding. Okay guys, we're on the final step to install it. So what you need to do here, after you install all the wires, harness and everything, you're gonna find one black wire with the tab, another one without the tab, right there. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to load the car settings to the module to bypass it. So you are gonna press this button here, hold it, and then connect this one. The light is gonna go red. Flash is gonna go red, yellow, blue. This is gonna be blinking, one jumping one in each other. When you hold it, this button, you are gonna, when the light turns just blue, let it go. Okay, so when you let it go, the light and one of the top is gonna be blue. It's gonna stay on. If the lights stay on, all the installation is correct, and from there you need to move to the next step. The next step is to plug all these connectors. You see all these, you're gonna plug it to the module. Once you get there, the next step is gonna press this button twice without pressing the brake pedal, just twice. When you do that, it's like turn on position. The top light is gonna be blinking blue, bling 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 bling. Okay, when they do that, just wait a couple seconds and then press the button again, and these lights, the red one and the yellow one in the middle, is gonna be blinking alternative 1 1 1 1. When they start doing that, that means that module get information from the car. So from there, you're gonna start disconnect all the socks here, all of them, and the last one is gonna be the black one. So once you get all out, you're gonna get the black one out. All right, from there, what you need to do is to download the 14 software for your computer, and you're gonna have the password and the login with the key you buy. They're gonna provide you with the login information. So once you get here, you install it, and then you connect the decoder here. So when it's green, then you plug in to the black position here. Then you're gonna load up to this screen. Usually it's gonna be like any other car, Nissan or whatever. So what you need to do is press here, and you're gonna find here the model of your car, just Infiniti 13 JX35 blah blah blah, and then you're gonna press load settings, which I already did here. It's gonna get in front of the module. Then you're gonna go to the descriptor, and then you're gonna press send data. Okay, so this processing blah 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 blah. Just wait a couple seconds, a minute. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Let's see. Okay, they got the new information. Now it's sent into the module. It's 2%. Just wait until it gets 100%. Okay, now it's 100%. The crypto has finished process data. The module has been updated and is ready for use. You can now disconnect the module and reinstall it in the vehicle. Okay, so now I'm gonna disconnect the module from here. From here first. Okay, Okay, we got the module programmer. So from here we need to get installed in the car. So the first one you need to plug in is here, which is the power. That's the first one. The other one doesn't matter the order, but this one has to be the first one. Okay, just testing out that the car starts normally. So next step is to test out with the remote control. So let's turn the car off and go outside to check it out. Okay, we disconnect here. Okay, 2, 3. There we go. 3 stars and the car is on. Oh yeah. Alright, so now let's see how it works. You come up here, press the button, car is on. Alright, let's see how this is supposed to be. Okay, you see it's blinking because it's with the remote start. Okay, so if I press the brake, let's see what press the brake what does. Goes on. Okay, goes off. So let's try it again. I guess I have to press the push start first. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, car is locked. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Go back in. So now, to drive away, I guess I have to press what? Let's find out what happened here. Alright, I figured out how that works. So once you are out and the car's, just remote start the car and then you wanna come into the car and drive away, what you need to do is unlock the car with the key, not with the one in the door. Then come in the car, push the button once and immediately press the brake, and then the car is gonna be ready to drive. Okay, they see everything is working, and that's it. You now try to find out, put everything back here, put the panels back, and that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching.